Hey everyone! So this is my day 14 from my previous DIY TCA cross treatment and also at home micro needling using Banisher 2.0, and this is how my skin look. As you can see, my skin doesn't have much hyperpigmentation or dark marks or spots from TCA cross. So aftercare is really important. Alright, but anyway, so let's start with my 14th session of at-home microneedling using Banisher 2.0. But first, I will exfoliate my skin using Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Alright, so since I am doing DIY TCA cross treatment and also at-home microneedling, so I'm just exfoliating my skin or my face once a week. I only applied a very thin layer of the product on my skin and then let it sit for 10 minutes. And then after that, I wash it off with water. Alright, and make sure to dry your skin first before starting the procedure or using the tool. And also make sure that your skin and hands are cleansed before starting the procedure. And just to share with you everyone, I have been using the Banisher 2.0 for almost 6 months. And I really love this tool because it is very safe and effective compared to other tools for micro needling. Plus, it is also being recommended by board certified dermatologists. So if you are on a budget and you want to treat your acne scarring or your acne scars, and can't afford to visit the clinic for the treatment, I can suggest to purchase the Banisher 2.0 or the Banisher Starter Kit. Just visit their website www.banish.com and you may use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above. And also everyone, if you need help or if you have any question or if you need guidance for at home micro needling or any treatment at home for your acne scars, you may leave your comment here in this video or any of my videos on my channel. Alright, so going back on the video, so I'm done doing the procedure. So this is how my skin looks. Alright, and then after I'll be using the Banish serum. So this is a vitamin C and E. So this will help to boost the collagen production on our skin and also good for removing or fading the dark spots or dark marks or hyperpigmentation on our skin. Alright, so before we end this video, please don't forget to like and share this video and leave your comment if you have any questions or if you need help, suggestions, or whatever you want to say. Just leave your comment in the comment section. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!